Lake, lake. The lake is beautiful. Cloud, cloud. There is a big cloud in the sky. Grass, grass. The grass is green. Sea, sea. The sea is calm. Rain, rain. The rain is heavy today. Sun, sun. The sun is shining. Sky, sky. The sky is clear today. Mountain, mountain. We climbed the mountain. River, river. The river is very clean. Tree, tree. This tree is very tall. Stone, stone. He found a small stone. Sand, sand. The sand is soft. Leaf, leaf. A leaf fell from the tree. Branch, branch. The bird is on the branch. Waterfall, waterfall. The waterfall is amazing. Island, island. They visited a small island. Ocean, ocean. The ocean is very deep. Desert, desert. The desert is very hot. Valley, valley. The valley is green. Rock, rock. The rock is very big. Snow, snow. The snow is falling. Sunset, sunset. The sunset is beautiful. Sunrise, sunrise. I love the sunrise. Flower, flower. She picked a beautiful flower. Ice, ice. The ice is very cold.